EFF is very wrong, guys. We can't allow the mainstream media to tell our own story. For the past 12 years of our existence, they've been misrepresenting our own story. They've been trying to portray us as some sort of bad people to the society. It is about time whereby we stand up on our own and tell our own story. It is our own story. We understand it better and we can tell it better. Let's stand up, fighters, and tell our own story. For the past 12 years of our existence, we've done a lot as an organization. We've done more than any other organization in South Africa. I'm not talking about ANC because the ANC, it's taking from government money. Yet they are giving our people indignified houses. The EFF has given our people dignified houses with the little they get as a constituency budget and from the party levy, whereby people are paying for being a public representative of the party. But I think it is about time whereby we stand up on our own and tell our own story. We can't rely on the mainstream media anymore. In fact, it's irrelevant at this time because it's only watched by a few elders. Most of the people, they're on social media like TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. That's where we can tell our own story. It is about time where we correct this thing. EFF must tell its own story. We've given the mainstream media 12 years to tell the true story of us, but they failed to do that. It is about time when we stand up and tell our own story ourselves.